Today I'm on my way to Waitrose to do a quick grocery shop, but this time I'm going on my Brompton. The journey to my local Waitrose is about a 5-minute drive or a 10-minute bike ride, and since it was such a pleasant day, I thought why not do this little mission on my Brompton instead, save some fuel and do my little bit for the environment too. And here we are, I've arrived at Waitrose. A quick look at my setup. Of course, the Brompton itself is fitted with a rear rack and easy wheels for smooth rolling. You'll also need a front carrier block if you want to attach a Brompton bag like this tea bag and use it as your shopping basket. Walking into the store now, rolling the Brompton alongside me, and as you can see, it's super smooth, almost like using a trolley. It's so versatile and practical, especially if you live in the city and don't always have a car to rely on. Just grabbing some essentials today, and this is where bag capacity really comes into play. The Brompton tea bag has a 31 litre capacity, and as you can see, it easily fits an orange juice, milk, bread, some cheese, and of course the cheeky gingerbread biscuit. And there's plenty of room left for more groceries if needed. Quick checkout, scanning the items and packing them neatly back into the tea bag. Having the bag fixed onto the Brompton makes the whole process super easy and efficient. Walking out now, and the best part, I can unfold the Brompton with the bag still attached. No need to remove anything, super smooth, quick and hassle free. And just like that, I'm riding off, shopping done, bike loaded up and ready to head home. A simple trip, but a perfect example of just how practical the Brompton can be for city living. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to help support my channel and get the latest updates for more Brompton related videos. And of course, let me know in the comments if you've ever tried shopping with your Brompton before. I'd love to know about it. See you next time on Sing on a Brompton.